Hello everyone, I am Aisha and you are tuned in to the 568th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with some exciting news from Business Standard. Let's begin with a major step towards standardizing healthcare delivery. The ICMR, National Health Authority, and WHO have developed 157 standard treatment workflows across 28 specialties. These workflows aim to bring transparency in hospital billing, prevent overcharging, and ensure consistent, evidence-based treatment for all patients. With medical inflation at 14 to 15%, insurers believe this move will help negotiate fair rates, expand cashless coverage, and keep premiums affordable. In financial year 2024 alone, insurers settled 2.69 crore claims, disbursing nearly rupees 83,500 crore, with two-thirds in cashless mode. This initiative could be a turning point in making healthcare more accessible, predictable, and affordable for all. Up next, we spotlight a recent story from Omnicom News. As we celebrate 7 years of Ayushman Bharat, PMJAOY, the world's largest government-funded health assurance scheme. Launched in 2010, it provides rupees 5 lakhs per family per year for hospitalization to over 55 crore beneficiaries. With 31,466 hospitals impaneled and 41 crore Ayushman cards issued, the scheme has authorized rupees 1.40 lakh crore worth of hospital admissions so far. It is also expanding coverage to citizens above 70, regardless of income. Union Health Minister called it a symbol of inclusive healthcare, bridging disparities and ensuring dignified access to medical services. Truly, a milestone in India's journey toward universal health coverage. Our next update from Markets Financial Content highlights the insight from Akio Insurance. Only 2% of Gen Z ages 20 to 25 are buying health insurance. Despite being digitally savvy and wellness conscious, many young adults delay coverage, viewing it as a future need. ACO's data shows that up 40% of buyers are aged 30 to 45, while 17% are 65 plus, often purchasing late despite higher risk. Gen Z cites reasons like daily expenses, paper-heavy processes, and the myth that insurance is too expensive. But delaying coverage means missing out on low premiums, tax benefits, and early protection. As healthcare costs rise, it's time for Gen Z to see insurance not just as a financial product, but as a wellness tool. Our final story today from Mint highlights that in a bold move, the Punjab government has launched a rupees 10 lakh health insurance scheme for every family in the state. The initiative aims to cover 3 crore residents, offering cashless treatment across government and private hospitals via the CM Health Card. Registration is simple, just an Aadhaar or voter ID is needed. Beneficiaries will receive coverage for 2,000 health services, making it one of the most comprehensive, state-led schemes in India. This rollout marks a significant step toward universal healthcare, aligning with the state's broader vision of free education, electricity, and travel. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.